Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be repurposing this wig. This one is from SHEIN. Of course, I will link the video down below for when I wore it the first time. So right here I'm just adding some edge wax stick on it just to flatten it down because I gotta get these baby hair out the way in order for me to put it on. After adding the edge wax stick on it, I'm also gonna go ahead and add some mousse on it, and after that I'm gonna use my flat iron to flatten it down some more. And this is definitely gonna be controlling those little flyaways so they won't get in my way when I'm ready to glue it on. Here I am going over it with the flat iron, and y'all, look at how good this wig look already. It is so smooth. Now it's time for me to put it on, and I'm going to use a white eyeliner just to line out where I'm going to be putting the glue. Because the lace is already cut off of it, it's easier doing it this way. The glue I'm going to be using today is this one called Ghost Bond. I'm going to apply the glue onto my skin, and after I spread it out and it's drying down, I'm going to go ahead and erase the white liner that I marked onto my skin. At this point, I could clean the white line off because I already know where the glue is gonna be at when I'm ready to apply the second round of glue, because I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more. I'm just gonna be doing 2 layers. And now for the second layer. So I'm just gonna apply it right on top of where I added the glue earlier and just spread it. Adding the second layer, in my opinion, is like spreading butter. It just goes on so much easier. Now I'm drying it down for it to look clear, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place the wig on it.
Now you they mash up the place, enter the radar. Cause you are what's in me brain, the only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my pants? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me, pour me out.
Next, I'm gonna spray some Got To Be Glued free spray on it, and the reason why I'm spraying this is 1, it helps to melt it in, and 2, it helps to hold it on, because you know we want to hold it in place while it dries. Next, I'm tying this elastic band on it just to keep it in place while it dries. So for this wig today, I'm going to be doing a side part. So I'm going to you know, give myself a part in the side. I already started it, so yeah, let's fix that up. I'm also adding some mousse on it because I like to do this when I part my hair, because the mousse helps to lay the hair down around the parting and make it looks better. Now I'm gonna go in with the hot comb and smooth out the hair some more. And this is what it looks like after I take the elastic band off. I really didn't have to do any baby hair because it looks so good, but I just felt like I needed it, so I went ahead and did some. I like to use my mousse and got to be glue gel when I'm doing my edges, but you could do whatever works for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish my sideburns, and I'm just gonna be plucking it so it could get thinner, and then I'm gonna just use the gel and the mousse and swoop it how I like it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat iron and put some curl in this baby. This is the finished look, ladies and gentlemen, and I absolutely love the outcome. I cannot believe this is a wig that I've used before. Like, this is how they need to make wigs, because believe me, some of these wigs you cannot use them more than one time, to be honest. Like a wig I bought from Amazon the other day, for example. But we're not even going to talk about that. Let's get into how juicy these curls are, how flowy this wig is, and it's so full. I absolutely love it. I think this might be my third time installing this wig now, and every time I put it on, I am more and more in love with it. Like, y'all, tell me, this wig look bomb. Like, it looks so good. I love how shiny it is, and another thing I really love about it is it's not shredding, so it is really a good wig. From SHEIN, human hair wig, yes, from SHEIN. I am going to leave the original video for this wig down below so you guys could find it if you want to get one for yourself. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and ask them down below in the comment section, and I will do my best to get back to them as soon as I can. If you find this video helpful, y'all, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga.